Through trial and error, we learned how to remove and install the front suspension. It was harder than I thought, and my GoPro tapped out, but I decided I'd keep going and carry on. And I got it done. So I'm back at it with another video. I'm going to take everything that I've learned and tackle the rear suspension to get one step closer to finally driving this Jeep. We need to set the pre-alignment measurement. The new control arm needs to be 3/8 longer than the stock control arm. The stock control arm measures from center to center 15 7/8 inches. Now our new upper control arm needs to measure 15 5/16 inches long from center to center. Now we'll tighten this jam nut. Alright, so the upper control arm isn't lining up correctly. So what I think I'm going to do is I'll remove it and get started on the passenger side of the Jeep, and hopefully lowering that side will allow this to line up correctly. Let's get started on the other side. Wow, that took forever. Good old fashioned, this is my good old fashioned rounder offer. Yeah. And this here is my my clamping rounder offer. So the goal is to round off the nut, so I have an excuse to break out the Sawzall. Jeez, break out the Sawzall already. Where'd this guy be without that dang Sawzall, huh? Get out of here. That's what I'm talking about.
What the? Take that.
Now that we've removed the lower control arm, we'll move on and remove the rear sway bar link. Ooh, what a handsome foot. Alright, where the heck is that Sawzall? We gotta take the passenger side upper control arm off. All this work, and I'm probably gonna use the Sawzall again. Well, I guess it's a miracle. You gonna make it 2 for 2? Come on! Come on! We can do it. Nope. I don't. Yeah, that's what I thought. You know, I'm pretty sure they make a tool for this. But, yeah, this'll work. I mean, it should. I hope. Oh, thank God. Now that both control arms are off, on this side, I'm going to clean it up a bit, grind away some of the rust, then we'll give it a spritz of paint. All right. That's the lower control arm installed. Now for the upper control arm. You got to make sure that bracket for the brake lines is at the top of the control arm. Now we'll get this upper control arm in, and we'll move to the other side. Give it a bit of a wiggle, and I'll get it lined up.